Here in Egypt we get a lot of food. Generally we get 2 of the breakfasts from the hotel, and while it's meant to be a set menu, you don't always get everything you ordered. On the other hand, sometimes you get extras. This lot feeds us for the whole day, theoretically, and it's all really good.
They got this strange stuff they call foul madem, which isn't foul at all. It's that stuff. It's refried beans made with broad beans, and you know, Saz has already raided the beignet, but there's a good selection of pastries there. And yeah, we'll make that into sandwiches, and that'll last us for lunch as well. Good food, eh? Okay, so that's Nadia. Hi, Nadia. And she is indirectly responsible for the Diamond Age printers, because she bailed on a presentation in Wellington, and I took over and designed a 3D printer, which I ended up manufacturing later. Anyway, there you go. Interesting piece of history. There's the guy's business card. Alright, and then when you actually look at it on the screen, you see this little fellow here.
You can even click on the number, and then it appears here.
Alright.
Instead of copying it.
That's cool. And you are?
I am Teddy.
Alright, thank you very much. Makers in their natural habitat. Hi, I'm Vic from GeekoFarm. Gecko? No, he's the gecko. Well, where we do things differently, anyway. Alright. I'll make it fly again. Cairo, and if you look out the window, it looks like desert. As far as we can tell, it's mostly building rubble. In the distance there are oil pumping platforms. It's very romantic Middle East. So after an 8-hour bus trip to Cairo, we are finally in the Ramses Hilton, and absolutely knackered. So your view of Cairo will have to wait until the morning. And thus refreshed, Cairo. But for now, that's a lot down on GeekoFarm.